This door's design is inspired by old world castles. In 1066, William the Conqueror takes the throne of England, tasking master builder Gundulf with the creation of England's first castles. Bishop Gundulf of Rochester became the first king's engineer, designing Rochester Castle, Colchester Castle, and the Tower of London. Art Factory celebrates the architects of the past through both design and craftsmanship. Using the same old-world techniques once used by Gundulf to create fortress doors that stand the test of time. Built to investment quality and fine art standards, using thick, natural, solid, full-length timber and hand-forged wrought iron hardware. Our finish process is unlike fast process sprays and brush-ons that require constant refinishing and replacing. We have been master hand carving to your design request fine furniture, doors, gates, and architectural elements since 1913.